Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to access chat in Microsoft Teams. Let's have a look now. To access chat in Microsoft Teams, start by opening the Microsoft Teams application on your computer. Once you are in Microsoft Teams, look for the Chat tab on the left side of the screen. Click on it to open the chat interface. To start a new chat, click on the new chat icon at the top of the chat section. Enter the name or email address of the person or people you want to chat with. Type your message and hit enter. If someone has sent you a message, you will see it in the chat list. In addition to one-on-one chats, you can create group chats or use Teams channels for broader discussions. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.